Here's the truth. Anyone can make a few sales with AI books on Amazon KDP. That's not the hard part. The real challenge is getting consistent sales every single month. And that's what separates the people who burn out from the people who build a real income stream. Today, I'm going to share the secret to getting consistent sales on KDP with AI books and how you can build books that sell long after launch day. Sound good? Let's dive in. Part 1, why most AI authors burn out. Let's start with why most authors fail. They hear AI is fast, so they pump out a ton of low quality books, toss them at KDP, and then wait for royalties. And sure, they might get a spike of sales here or there, but within weeks, sales usually flatline. Why? Because consistency doesn't come from volume alone. Amazon's algorithm rewards books that perform well over time, not books that just sit on the platform. If your book has no reviews, no keywords dialed in, and no real cover design, then it'll disappear into the abyss with millions of other titles. This is why so many people give up after 10 or 20 uploads. They mistake publishing for business. And there's a big difference. Part 2, the real secret. Systems, not randomness. The real secret to consistent sales is building a system. You need 3 pieces working together. Number 1, quality over quantity. Instead of throwing up 50 books, focus on a handful that are actually valuable. Use AI to draft, but then refine them with stories, editing, and research. A single solid book can outperform 20 generic ones. Now, number 2, keyword mastery. Consistent sales come from visibility. That means learning how to optimize your title, subtitle, and back-end keywords so that way Amazon wants to show your book. Think of your keywords like real estate. If you rank in the right spots, readers will keep finding you month after month. And number 3, a long-term sales engine. This could be building a simple email list, running a simple ad campaign, or linking your books together through a series. The point is, you don't rely on luck. You create a system where every new book that you publish feeds into the last ones. And finally, part 3, using AI to keep the momentum going. So where does AI come in? AI is your accelerator. Instead of spending months on one book, you can get drafts done in days, if not hours. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you can outline faster, brainstorm keywords, or even generate compelling ad copy. But the key is that AI does not replace your system. It only supports it. For example, number 1, use AI to help you write sequels or related books to keep readers coming back. Number 2, use AI to repurpose your book into blogs. Number 2, use AI to repurpose your book content into blogs or social media posts that lead back to your books. Number 3, use AI to research gaps in the market that authors are too slow to notice alone. This way, you're not relying on a one-hit wonder. You're building a machine that's keeping readers in your world. So the secret to consistent KDP sales with AI isn't a hack, it's momentum. So the secret to consistent KDP sales with AI isn't a hack, it's a system. Create valuable books, master keywords, and set up a long-term sales engine. And then let AI make that process even faster. And if you want to skip the guesswork, I built a complete step-by-step course that shows you exactly how to research niches, use the right AI prompts, format your book, and then publish properly on KDP for maximum sales. The link is below. If you're serious about publishing, be sure to check it out. And if you got value, smash that like button, and I will see you in the next video.